The Three Bears. Once upon a time, there were three little bears named Brownie, Honey, and Teddy. They lived in a cozy den in the heart of the forest. One sunny day, they decided to go on an adventure. Brownie, the bravest of the trio, led the way. Then
Saan? Saan dyan? So? Strolled.
strolled through the meadow,
Sige.
crossed
A bubbling.
a bubbling brook, and reached a
Mysterious
mysterious cave.
cave.
Inside the cave, they discover a treasure,
Treasures.
treasure,
Tre.
tre,
Sure.
treasure
Chest.
chest filled with honey
Pots.
pot, honey being the sweet
Tooth.
tooth bear hold pieces,
Sige ah.
taking a
Takasan.
taste. Suddenly they heard a noise. It was a friendly
Squirrel.
squirrel named Natty, who showed them the way to the magical Candyland. In Candyland, they found candy trees, chocolate rivers, and marshmallow clouds. The three little birds had the sweetest time ever, and from that day on, their den was always filled with
Laughter.
laughter and
The
the
tales
tales
of
of
their.
their sweet adventures.
Lina. What is the title of the story?
The Three Bears.
What is the name of the three little bears?
Brownie, Honey, and Teddy.
Where does the three bears live?
In the cozy
Takasan mo.
den in the heart of the forest.
When they reach the cave, what does the bears discover inside of it?
Treasure chest.
Takasan mo.
Treasure chest.
Treasure chest. The treasure chest filled with what?
Honey pot.
Pots. Who showed them the way to the magical Candyland?
Natty.
Nakasan mo pa?
Natty.
Natty. Give at least one they found in Candyland.
Candy trees.
Ulit.
Candy trees.